Let's see if we can do better than 39 miles an hour. Hey everyone, Bill the Drone Reviewer here. If you find anything of value in this video or on my channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button. With that, let's begin. The original DJI Mavic Air was an incredible drone when it first came out. One of the issues that it did have is when you went into sport mode and were shooting video, a lot of times you would get that gimbal would tilt on you. Well, today, let's check out and see how the Mavic Air 2 did in sport mode. Now, I had the settings where it was at 4K, 30 frames per second. So let's go ahead and roll that clip of the video.
The home point has been updated. Please check it on the map.
Well, thank you. Video. Let's do 4K. 4K, 30 frames per second. All right. Well, we're going to check out the original Mavic Air had some issues in sport mode when shooting videos. So with the Mavic Air 2, we're going to go ahead and do a test of, we're going to shoot in 4K 30 and crank it up. We're going to go to both ends of the lake and see how she does. So let's get this show on the road here. Video has started. All right. We're going to do takeoff.
Takeoff. The home point has been updated. Please check it on the map.
Well, thank you. Let's get it up to about 25 feet or so. Beautiful evening tonight. Absolutely gorgeous. All right, we're 26 feet. It's lingering long enough. Let's get it up to about 100 feet. Right at 100 feet. All right, let's go ahead. We're shooting 4K 30. Holy cow, I didn't know it would go that fast. Wow. 38 miles an hour. It's really booking. 38.9. 39. Holy cow. Almost 40. Okay, that's like record time getting to that end of the lake. I'm telling you that right now there, guys. All right, let's go ahead. We're just gonna go over the land right here, and we're gonna head down to that corner of the lake. Let's see if we can pass up 39. Let's see if we can do better than 39 miles an hour. What do you say, guys? Come on. 40 miles an hour. 40 miles an hour with this. That's insane. Holy cow. Wow, that is absolutely amazing. Okay, so wow, that is just absolutely positively amazing. Okay, so let's crank it up and get it back in the vicinity here, and let's see what we're doing. See how fast we can get back here. There we are. Holy cow. That's amazing. $41.2. Holy cow. All right. Well, we're going to do a quick return to home here. I'm going to check on the accuracy of return to home. It's not windy. So let's kill two birds with one stone with this here, okay? Let's adjust the pitch of that gimbal down. Let's see how we do.
Landing.
It is a little windy up there. I'm hearing it going. So we're gonna hit it. Are we going to hit it? We could be. We could be hitting it here, folks. We could be hitting it here. Let's see what we get. Let's see what we get. It's looking pretty doggone good. Boom! We nailed that bad boy. Awesomeness. Question of the day. How do you think the 4K 30 frames per second video did in sport mode for the DJI Mavic Air 2? Let me know in the comments section below. Thanks so much for watching, and remember, it's a great day to fly.